We all know that we use control panels, and control panels doesn't come just like that. It is an association of so many other components. And if that components are genuine enough, our control panel will last for a longer time. And one such company which says that we provide all the tremendous standard, high standard accessories for the control panel is none other than KONTACT Hyderabad. And bomb, he himself has a bomb in his own surname. So he is going to make dhamaka in this industry. Anta goppa company, KONTACT Hyderabad oka company proprietor, Harsh Bomb is always here. Let's understand in detail. Namaskar sir, Harsh Bomb sir, and Mr. Ankit, Akshit, Abhishek. Hi Mr.
Introduce my son to say anything on my behalf.
On your behalf.
It will be more appropriate because he is aware of all the activities he has seen. He has joined me 6 years back. So he is the right person to say about me. I am not the correct person to tell about me.
Certainly sir. So he is relieving us with his son who is going to talk more about the company. Thank you sir.
I wish you all the best.
Thanks lots. The pleasure is all mine sir. Come down Mr. Gentleman.
Hello,
Hi gentleman. Mr. Akshit.
Yeah.
Mr. Akshit, tell me what is this KONTACT Hyderabad is all been together?
Basically, it was established in 1989 and it was all started by my father from scratch. It was not like taken over from my grandfather or something like that. And we are basically into dealing of all control panel accessories that goes into the control manufacturing of control panel. There is wiring accessories, connectors, lugs, all types of accessories. And it is our 33rd year in this industry. We have been catering to all sorts of panel builders, machine tool manufacturers and other cement industries, OEMs like HBL, BHEL, ECIL, all government departments also. We are also supplying to the Indian Railways. So yeah, this is in short about our company, KONTACT Hyderabad.
It may look short in words, but in action it's covering more of India as well.
And as our tagline says, the right contact matters. We are the right contact if you are looking for any kind of panel accessories.
So for all the panel accessories, this dynamic lad is saying that we are the right company, KONTACT Hyderabad. Mr. Akshay, you have been the traders, right?
Yeah.
What are the major brands that you associate with?
Major brands, when it comes to connectors, we are into Connectwell, which is a Bombay-based company, and it's having worldwide approval. It has a plant in Germany also. And the second brand, which become major brand, is fuses, that is Busman fuses, which is also known as Eton Busman. And in lugs, we are dealing with Hex brand, which is lugs and glands both. This again goes into agriculture, construction, panel building, everything. And apart from that, we have insulators where we have Powermat, and we have CTs and digital meters, panel meters, analog meters, where used for measurement of voltage, current. So there we have Rishab Instruments. We have rotary switches, which comes under KC. We have other various accessories again, and we are also into crimping tool, which is of Jensen. So these are in short, the various.
So for all the authorized, being an authorized trader for all these companies, you are dealing with the high end, with the brands that have already gained very high reputation in the market.
That's right. We are only into branded products and quality because we believe that our customer is our asset. So once the customer is happy with the quality and service, then he'll come back again. So we believe in supplying good quality and good service to the customer.
And tell me, where is your outlet located like?
We are located, the head office is located at RT Road, Bible House, that is Rashtrapati Road.
Right.
And we have a branch where we have our storage also, that is in the industrial area, GD Metla industrial area.
This is storage lot.
Yeah.
And tell me, what has been the hallmark achievements of your company for this last from 1989 till date that you feel that your company has been totally been convinced and happy about?
My dad started it alone. And now after 32 years, and we are in the 33rd year, we have a staff of 15 members, including a delivery van guy who goes for delivery. And there was a time when my dad used to do the delivery himself, stocking himself. But now we have persons appointed, and in the true sense, dad is the founder, the person who is responsible for the growth of the company.
Whole and soul.
Yeah, whole and soul. From one small 10 by 10 room, and now we have a complete storage warehouse. So yeah, this
expanded
is
very high. Very
I already feel we achieved a lot, and we have to achieve some more, like many more things in life, in the company, outside the company, everywhere.
And is there any government certifications that your company has achieved?
Government certificate, as in we are in, because it is trading. In manufacturing, you have certification.
Okay.
So as we are traders, we are dependent for the certificates on the manufacturer for the product, because we are not into manufacturing. So certification Maybe in future we come into manufacturing and go for the certification. Yeah.
You will, and I'm damn sure you're going to make a lot of impact in the manufacturing industry as well.
Thank you.
That's what speaks out. Your legacy speaks out.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Gentleman, Mr. Akshay, now that we all have understood in words, we will be glad if we can have a navigation exploration of some of the components that deal with the accessories of the control panel.
Sure.
Shall we do that? Come on, friends. Let's have a navigation tour of the components that deal with the control panel.
All and just let us know what all I deal in. So let us begin with connectors, that is of Connectwell brand. So these are all wire connectors where you can find different types of connector sizes, different sizes, that is starting from 2.5 square mm up to 190, 185, 230 square mm. And then coming to the next brand, it is KC, where we have also got rotary switches, toggle switches, and we have micro switches, counters, which is used in the panel again. And coming to the next brand, that is Powermat, where you have bus bar insulators, HT insulators for 11 kV applications, you have connectors, you have DIN rails, you have TPN supports, you have colored TPN supports, and you have CTs, you have air vents, which goes into the panel again. Moving on, next we have Rishab Instruments, which is used for measuring and instrumentation, where we have digital meters, analog meters, shunts, CTs, again power supplies, which again goes into the panel, and apart from the panel, many automation boxes also. The next coming up is Busman, which is also known as Eton by Busman, and we have high range of fuses, where we have HRC fuses, semiconductor fuses, DC fuses, solar fuses, which goes into solar application, DC chargers. Then coming to the next brand is SGI, where we have all wiring accessories, where we have a cable tray, we have wiring sleeves, we have ferrule sleeves, which is used for marking of the cable. We have different types of cables over here, and cable ducts to pass the cables in the panel, so that the panel looks clean and neat. So as the wiring goes into the panel, it goes inside the panel through a lug. So to crimp the wire with the lug, we have these crimping tools, which locks the lug on the cable, so that the cable is attached to the lug and the lug can be connected to the panel without any short circuit. So this crimping tool is also very important when it comes to wiring in the panel. Coming up next is what I was talking about, that is the lug. So we deal in Hex brand for lugs and glands. So these are basically used to connect the wires in the panel. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, you have already had a look that what all products I deal in. These are all the control panel accessories that we deal in, and we at Contact assure you that we have high brand, high quality and good service to our customers, because we believe that customer is an asset to our company. And if you are looking to contact us for any of these products or any of the panel accessories, you can contact us on 955-0633-118. That's my contact number for both WhatsApp and calling. And you can also you can also drop a mail to our mail ID, that is KONTACT contact HYDERABAD Hyderabad numerical 5@gmail.com. I hope you all had a good time interacting with me through this video, because I had a good time making this video with Mr. Sandeep Garu. And thank you so much, guys.